Welcome. This is a 15-minute shoulder mobility routine to help create more range of motion and flexibility within the upper body. For this sequence, you will need a strap and 3 pillows, as many as you'd like. We'll begin seated. Any way you feel comfortable. You can sit cross-legged, you can sit on your feet, your knees rather, and place a pillow between your seat or your feet. Or you can place a pillow underneath your seat here, cross-legged. If your knees are a little high, you can place pillows or blocks under the knees as well. Or go ahead and just plant the feet on the mat, keeping the knees bent. When you're ready, we'll begin to circulate the neck. Gentle movement here. Opposite direction. We'll begin to circulate the shoulders, just finding some movement here. Perfect. Now circulating the waist once again, bringing movement into the body, into the spine, moving wherever the body takes you. And we'll come back to center. Full inhale. Exhale, round through the spine, gaze down. Inhale, opening the chest, take your gaze up, gentle back bend. And we'll continue syncing breath with movement, flowing at your own pace. And we'll release, giving yourself a big hug here, crossing the right arm over the left. Full inhale. As you exhale, softening the shoulders away from the ears. And we'll release, crossing the left arm over the right. Big hug. Inhale. Exhale, softening the shoulders. And we'll release. Go ahead and grab the strap. And we'll place the hands about shoulder distance apart. On an inhale, with control, reaching the strap up overhead as high as you can comfortably. As you exhale, go ahead and release back down. Again, have control here. Inhale, reach with control. Exhale, lower. Continue moving at your own pace, breathing with the movement. Perfect. Go ahead and take the hands a little more wider. So you're going to take it about, I'm going to say leg distance apart. And you'll know as soon as you reach the hands up where you want the hands. So you'll adjust as you lift. Having control as you inhale, reach up. And you can stay right here or go ahead and start to exhale. Take it behind you all the way down to your seat. Inhale, reach it all the way back up. As you exhale, lower in front. Continue syncing breath with movement. And we'll release, resting the hands on your thighs, just taking a moment here. Allow the arms to be heavy. Whenever you're ready, we'll go ahead and grab the strap again, having the arms, legs distance apart. We'll inhale, reach it up overhead. Exhale, lower towards your left. Inhale, up overhead. Exhale, lower towards your right. Once again, syncing breath with movement, having control. Exhale, gently release. Once again, resting your hands on your thighs. Taking a moment here to soften the shoulders. We'll go ahead and interlace our hands behind our back, pulling the fists towards the mat, opening the chest, softening the shoulders. Go ahead and draw the fist towards your left hip. And we'll release, drawing the fist towards your right hip. And we'll gently release, come to laying. Feet are planted on the mat. We'll rest the knees against each other, shoulders in line with the elbows, or just having the arms resting to your sides. Taking a moment here to observe the stretch within the chest, observing the earth under your sacrum, checking in with the body here. And we'll go ahead and hug the knees towards the chest or arms distance away. We'll straighten the legs, resting your hands to your sides, palms facing up, preparing for Savasana. Taking this time to be fully present here with the body in its fully relaxed state. Working through the body at your own pace, using your inhales to create that space, and using your exhales to sigh out any tension within the body. And we'll gently begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, rocking the head side to side, bending the knees, rolling over towards your right. Inhale and exhale. Gently come to seated. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.